Lovely viewers, welcome back. This is the first part of hospital management software configuration and setup tutorial. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the hospital management software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could kindly hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Software flow for outpatients. When a new patient visits the facility, the receptionist logs into the reception account to register new patients in the Patients section. Then the receptionist books the patients either as OPD or IPD. If the patient is already registered with the facility, the receptionist will proceed to book the patient directly as OPD or IPD without re-registering them. The doctor logs into his doctor's account, then diagnose the patient. If no further test required, the doctor generates a prescription for the patient. If lab tests are required, the doctor directs the patient to the lab. The lab technician logs into his account for pathology tests. The doctor will log into this account to view the results. If radiology tests are required, the doctor directs the patient to the lab. The lab technician logs into his account for radiology tests. The doctor will log into this account to view the results. Patient will then be directed to pharmacy to collect prescription. Pharmacist will log into his account to generate medicine bill using prescription generated by the doctor and issue medicine. This summarizes the software flow. Now let's learn how to configure the system. Creating users. This is where you create users with their assigned roles, for example accountant, admin, case manager, doctor, lab technician, nurse, patient, pharmacist, receptionist, etc. From the main window, select users, then new users. Type the name, email address, date of birth, password, then select roles e.g. accountant, admin, case manager, doctor, lab technician, nurse, patient, pharmacist, receptionist, etc. Upload photo of the user if available. Click Create. Repeat the same for the other users. Doctors. This is where you set up the doctor details and schedules or shifts into the system. From the main window, click Doctors. If you had already added doctors while creating users, the list of available registered doctors will be displayed on the screen. To add a new doctor, click Actions top right, then select New Doctor. Enter doctor details, then click Create. To create new doctor department, select Doctor Department tab. Click New Doctor Department. Enter department title and descriptions. Then click Create. To create new doctor schedules or shifts, select Schedules tab. Click New Schedules. Enter doctor's name, per patient time, daily schedule. Then click Create. To create new doctor holidays, select Doctor Holidays tab. Click New Doctor Holidays. Select doctor's name, date, and reason. Then click Create. To create new doctor breaks, select Breaks tab. Click New Breaks. Select doctor's name, time from and time to. Then click Create. Hospital charges setup. Charge categories. This is where you define all charge categories for your facility. From the main window, click Hospital Charges. Select Charge Categories tab. Click New Charge Categories. Type charge category and description. Select charge type. Align your charge type to one of the main categories in the list provided. Click Create. Creating charge rates. This is where you define all charge rates for your facility. From the main window, click Hospital Charges. Select Charges tab. Click New Charges. Select charge type and category. Type charge code, standard charge, and description. Click Create. Doctor OPD charges. This is where you define all doctor OPD consulting charges or fees. From the main window, click Hospital Charges. Select Doctor OPD Charges tab. Click New Doctor OPD Charges. Select doctor's name, then set OPD charges. Click Create. Registering patients at the reception. Do patients' registration before inpatients IPD and outpatients OPD setup. From the main window, click Patients tab. Select Actions top right, then click New Patient. Type patient's details, which are name, email, phone number, gender and password. Upload photo and type patient address if available. Click Create. Repeat the same procedure for other patients. Creating a case. Here is where you define patient's medical status or condition, for example accident, inpatient, maternity, etc. From the main window, click Patients. Click Cases tab. Select Actions top right, then click New Case. Select patient and doctor from the list. Type case date and fee. Click Create. Creating Case Handler. This is where you define or assign personnel handling the patient, which in this case should be nurse or doctor. From the main window, click Patients. Click Case Handlers tab. Select Actions top right, then click New Case Handlers. Type name, email, gender, designation, qualification, and password of the case handler. Upload photo and enter case handler address if available. Click Create. Patient's Smart Card Templates. Here is where you design hospital card templates for your patients. From the main window, click Patients. Click Patient's Smart Card Templates tab. Click New Patient's Smart Card Templates. Type template name. Select the header color and what to display on the template. Click Create. Generate Patient's Smart Card. Here is where you print hospital cards for your patients. From the main window, click Patients. Click Generate Patient's Smart Card tab. Click New Patient's Smart Card. Select Smart Card Template. Select whether for all patient, remaining patient, or one patient. If for one patient, you will select patient name. Click Create. Bed Management section. Set up bed management before inpatients IPD and outpatients OPD setup. Bed types or wards. This is where you define bed types or wards for your facility. From the main window, click Bed Management. Select Bed Types tab. Click New Bed Types. Type the bed type or ward and description. Click Create. Beds. This is where you add or assign beds to bed types or wards for your facility. From the main window, click Bed Management. Select Bed tab. For one new bed, click New Bed. Type the bed number, select bed type or ward, type the bed charge and its description. Click Create. For new bulk beds, click New Bulk Bed. Type the bed numbers, select bed types or wards, type the bed charges and their descriptions. Click Add to New Bulk Bed after each entry. Click Save. Bed Assigns. This is where you assign a bed to an inpatient IPD. From the main window, click Bed Management. Select Bed Assigns tab. For one new bed, click New Bed Assigns. Select patient name, patient case, bed ID, or number. Type description and select status. Click Create. Bed Status. This is where you list all available and occupied beds in the wards. Inpatients IPD and Outpatients OPD section. Outpatients OPD. From the main window, click IPD OPD. Select OPD Patients tab. Click New OPD Patients. Select patient name, case, and doctor. The OPD number will be generated automatically. Enter height, weight, blood pressure, symptoms, and special notes. Select whether the patient is old or not so as to be given priority. Enter doctor OPD charge and payment mode. Click Create. Inpatient's IPD. From the main window, click IPD OPD. Select IPD Patients tab. Click New IPD Patients. Select patient name, case, bed type, bed, and doctor. The IPD number will be generated automatically. Enter name, height, weight, blood pressure, symptoms, and special notes. Select whether the patient is old or not so as to be given priority. Click Create. Diagnosis. Diagnosis categories. This is where you define diagnosis categories. From the main window, click Diagnosis. Select Diagnosis Categories tab. Click New Diagnosis Categories. Type the diagnosis category and its description. Click Create. Diagnosis tests. This is where the doctor performs and records all diagnosis tests. From the main window, click Diagnosis Tests. Select Action top right, then click New Diagnosis Test. Select the patient, doctor, diagnosis category. The report number will be generated automatically. Add patient details, that is, age, height, weight, blood sugar, urine sugar, blood pressure, etc. To add another diagnosis property, type diagnosis property name and value, then click Add. Click Create. Prescriptions. This is where the doctor generates a prescription for a patient. From the main window, click Prescriptions. Click New Prescriptions. Select the patient and the doctor issuing prescription. Select the medicine, duration, time, dose interval, and type the dosage. Click Add to. Repeat this step for other medicines. Type physical information for the patient, for example blood pressure, allergies, diabetes, etc. Type any additional notes for the patient. Select Next, visit dosage and time. Click Create. Medicine bills. This is where you create and process all medicine bills for your patients. From the main window, click Medicines. Select Medicine Bills tab. Click New Medicine Bills. Select patient name and patient status. Select medicine categories, medicine, expiry date, selling price, quantity, and amount. Repeat this step for other medicines. Enter total amount, net amount, and payment option type. Click Create. This is the end of Part 1. Please follow up with Part 2 for more in-depth tutorial for hospital management software. For more technical support, please click on the comment section below or email info@hospitalmanagementsystemsoftware.online.